All right. Good morning. Did you guys get some good stuff? Ian, what'd you get?
I got sofa all is opened.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, my sofa all that is opened is this. And my miniature Beyblade.
Oh, wow. Harlow, what'd you get?
I get some money.
Some money.
Money.
And a book.
Wow.
And some, what are these things called? Little woodsies? Salem, good morning, sunshine. What did you get from the Easter Bunny?
Peeps, book, friend shirt, and a blue, like, I think it's a crop top. And candy and money. I put it all in this one egg.
Flora, what did you get from the Easter Bunny? Huh? Nothing? You didn't get nothing? I didn't get nothing either. This is cute though. The Easter Bunny left a trail of carrots. He's a messy Easter Bunny. What about you, Charles Xavier III? Did you get anything? No. Yeah. What are you trying to get? Huh? You want to try and get some yum-yums in the sink? That's disgusting. Alright, coffee time. Question of the day, do I use the hunk cup? Or do I get more with the awesome Top Guy Scott cup? Let's go with hunk. Then I can tell myself it's okay that I had 2 cups of coffee first thing in the morning. Honey, which cup would you like? Hey, Matt!
to play hot and cold?
Yeah, sure.
Cold. Okay, you're cold.
Okay, 5 seconds.
Hot. 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 Oh, you're getting
4,
colder. Warm.
5. Okay, Harlow, your turn.
Warm. Okay, Harlow, go.
Yeah, cold.
You're so cold. You're very cold.
Hot.
Hot, warm, hot, 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 hot.
No.
Hot.
Oh, yes!
Harlow, you let her have it. Let her have it.
So loose.
You guys! I know, but I still want to get.
All right, so now we're gonna celebrate Easter by giving Kristen some of the bomb.
No, not just
Come on.
Kristen. I'm not doing it if it's just me. I said everybody. Or not everybody.
I've already done it. It's so hot.
You didn't do it on camera.
You might be wondering how many Scovilles it is. It's 135,000 Scovilles, which is not as bad as the one Kristen has had before, which was what, like 1 million Scovilles or something?
2 million.
2 million?
Yep. Did you know that, Mom?
I couldn't imagine.
Like a teaspoonful of the 2 million was that at the Georgia when the pepper
Oh, you did a
open.
teaspoon?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like enough liquid that you really.
Like it was in my mouth, I had to swallow it.
No, so I did like a dab. I literally did a dab of this, and my tongue and my throat. I'm telling you what, if you have a canker sore, it'll rip that right off your face. It'll just rip your lips are what's really gonna hurt for a while. I don't want to do this.
I thought you just did a couple.
Oh, it's gonna catch fire. Holy jeez. Look at the consistency of this. It's like coagulated blood. Hold on. No. Kristen, get a chip. I'm not doing this with you.
Who's doing it with me?
I've already made the mistake.
God bless it.
Are you gonna do it, David?
Let me smell it.
What is on the spoon?
That's ice cream. That's from earlier.
That looks
Literally just dab it.
Take a swig.
That's way too much. That's way too much. I'm telling you, it's way too much. It's gonna hurt.
It's gonna hurt.
Do you want?
Dude, I would not eat that if I were you. I know. You're so screwed. I wouldn't have done
What's
that.
that over there? Is that the only milk she gets?
There's no way I would have done that. I would have just dipped the tip in there.
How hot is it? Is it bad?
It tastes really bad.
No, dude, you're in, bro. You're in. Welcome. Here it goes. Just wait.
Does it sneak up on you, or is it instant?
It kind of gets going. It takes a second.
There's a possibility that I am allergic to this shit.
No, I think that's how everybody feels. Why?
My throat is like,
Have you seen my
it's
glass?
hot, but I'm not like,
Dude, then I have such a sensitivity to it. It's just like 20 minutes to wear off. Going for the milk. Yeah.
Is that too much?
No.
Come here, babe. Why? You do hot stuff all the time. Should I put it on something?
Shit, no. Go right for it. Don't, look it. Here's my suggestion. I wouldn't put all of that in your mouth. I just touch the tip of your tongue and see how that rolls. Yeah.
It's like instant.
okay, then nor do it.
That shit hurts. It hurts.
It's more like you said. It's like an irritating burn.
Yeah. Don't do the rest. You'll regret it, dude. The fun part's gonna be when you shit it out.
A little bit.
How you feeling?
It's not bad.
It's irritating.
All right, are you gonna try it?
Yeah.
Just here, take it off of his finger. Don't put all of that. Don't put all of that in there. No. Just touch the tip of your tongue.
No, come on,
No. Oh man, here we go. Welcome.
You should have put all that in your mouth.
Here.
You told me to.
Guys, this is not healthy for mom.
Come on. What's the matter?
It's in my throat. Oh God, it's right here.
It's gonna start.
Oh, he does. That's nothing to Johnny Shovel.
ketchup.
That's serious.
I have to get something.